From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with a dry sore throat and dry skin? What if I told you there's a solution that can change that? Introducing the commercial Industrial Humidifier Whole House by MIST. This top-rated humidifier has been a game changer for many customers who have purchased and reviewed it, and I'm excited too. The top-filling design allows you to add water directly, and you can use tap, purified, or distilled water, giving you flexibility and convenience. The 3-gear MIST adjustment and sleep mode are also impressive features. You can set the MIST output to low, medium, or high, and with the 1 to 12-hour timing function, you can fully humidify your space at night, so when you wake up, you'll feel refreshed and energized. The 360-degree nozzle provides multi-directional uniform humidification, and the long tube spray head can be connected to other pipes, making it perfect for use in supermarkets, workshops, and even your own home. The universal wheels make it easy to move around, and the LED lights give it a sleek and modern look. What I love about this humidifier is that it's easy to set up, and the results are noticeable. You'll feel the difference in the air. It's like a breath of fresh air. Whether you're using it in a small room or a large space, this humidifier is powerful and efficient, and it's a great alternative to other products on the market. So if you're looking for a reliable and effective humidifier, I highly recommend the commercial Industrial Humidifier Whole House by MIST. It's a great investment for your health and comfort, and with its popularity among customers, you can trust that you're making a good choice. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. You won't be disappointed. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.